She said I'd never get a job like I ever wanted one with that attitude. My dad said I had to learn to drive a stack shift, but every van I ever had was an automatic. My friends said someday I would make it big, but I'm still living in the basement. I'm just as broke as the day I was born, but I still make it work just like everybody else does. It's all just a cruel joke, and everybody knows there's no way out. Well, who's laughing now? The TV said I would never get a girlfriend unless I had a six-pack and smoked cigarettes. Well, I've got a couple extra pounds and the hottest girl in town. She don't mind having a little more of me to go around. I'm just as broke as the day I was born, but I still make it work just like everybody else does. It's all just a cruel joke, and everybody knows there's no way out. Well, who's laughing now? Who's laughing now? The preacher told me this was only just a pipe dream, and I've been burning both ends 7 days a week. But baby, I just paid the rent, making music with my friends. It ain't much, but it could be the start of something big. I'm just as broke as the day I was born, but I still make it work just like everybody else does. It's all just a cruel joke, but everybody knows there's no way out. And now, we said I would be who's laughing now. And now, she said I'd never get a job. Who's laughing
Where the hell is my husband? What is taking him so long to find me? Oh, baby, where the hell is my lover? Getting down with another. Tell him if you see him, baby. If you see him, tell him that he should. Why is this beautiful man waiting for me to get over? He already tested my patience. I only fear he's taking time with other women that ain't me, but I've been reviewing medications. Till I got my hands on him, I'ma tell him I'm too for how long. He got me waiting, anticipating, praying to the Lord to give him to my Lord and all. So despite my frustrations,